I never imagined that one single mistake could change my life.
Don't know what to do. I'm so worried.
Meow, 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 meow.
When someone threatened to destroy my future or expose me, I was weak, and I gave in to the blackmail.
Meow, meow,
And just when life finally smiled at me, and I met the person who could have healed everything, something I never expected happened. Cats live hard lives. They don't always get a choice. But the most important thing is not to keep making the same mistake. It's to stop and start a new life.